Alright, welcome back to another episode of Auto Existence. Thanks for sticking around. First off, I wanted to thank a lot of the subscribers that I've acquired over the past several months, even though I haven't posted a video. But we're back making videos again. If you're new to the channel, please like, share, and subscribe. So in today's video, what we're going to be doing is making a sim racing rig. I've had one in the past, made one out of PVC. We're going to be using some plans that I bought offline. Some of you may be familiar if you're into sim racing, which is a Ricmotech RS1. There's other videos like this online. Most notably, Inside Sim Racing TV has a build video. It's kind of be along the same line. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I already got a head start the other day. I cut out the plans. So today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use those plans and glue them to our work, and go ahead and start cutting. So you can see you get full-size plans here. So essentially we just have to cut these out first. Alright, so you guys get the idea. This is gonna take a minute. So one of the first things I'm doing actually is I'm changing out the blades on my woodworking tools. I got these cordless tools, which I like. However, the blades that come with these cordless tools generally suck. So we're gonna go ahead and upgrade it to some new jigsaw blades and a new circular saw blade. No, I'm not sponsored by Ryobi or anybody for that matter. And this is really convenient because it has the tool on here. I'm not sure what the biggest difference. The kerf on this newer blade is definitely different, but also this one really tears up wood. There's this, from what I understand, doesn't. The nice thing about this is that it has pretty much step-by-step plans, and we're going to start with making the base. So that's the base done. Now we're gonna move on to the uprights.